Hello from the Ascension View Beach Resort Hotel. This is our ocean view room, and I'll be taking you through the room and its facilities. What do we have here? We have a huge mirror for the ladies to check themselves out, and we have the standard amenities, which is tea, coffee, sugar, water bottles, the kettle. We have a big flat screen TV as well. We have a business desk with, I believe it's Type C or Type F plug outlets, and this is a balcony that gives you an inside view of the hotel itself. It's a very uneventful view, but the ocean again is visible from here. Let me just zoom in on that. Yeah, we have a good ocean view. We'll go back into the room and I'll show you the main bedroom. It's a one bedroom suite with its own flat screen TV inside the room as well. And we have a queen bed with lights on both sides of the bed, a sofa, and a beautiful view of the ocean. This is the Batu Bolong beach from where you can see the entire view. And the room is very beautiful. It's a very beautiful property. It has a very convenient location in every point of view. And we have the bathroom. We have a bathtub with the standard shower gel and shampoo and conditioner. We have two hand towels. We have tissue. We have a dental kit. I feel the amenities are missing, like the standard the other hotels often give. The hair dryer is there. We have a charger inside as well. We have a separate shower cabin. I'll just show you the shower cabin as well. We have a rain shower and a phone shower as well. So overall, this looks to be a nice room. I hope we do enjoy our stay over here. It is a wonderful property, as I mentioned before. It's worth the stay. And nice painting over here. It's quite spacious actually. It's a very spacious room, no doubt. So guys, I'll upload more videos later. Tune in, subscribe and like. Thank you.